Hello, I will ask that you see this video till the end of it, because even when you see the program in the middle of the video that you are using, or maybe you have been using, I will tell you right now that you are using it the wrong way to use your camera as a webcam. So please stay here till the end. Welcome to the first episode of NSUE. I am not an expert. In Spanish is no soy un experto. So what I'm going to show you today is how to use your Nikon DSLR camera as a webcam. No capture card needed, no Delgato, no Evermedia, not anything. The only thing that you need right now is your original USB cable from Nikon. Don't use a copy, don't use alternatives, use the original one. And your Nikon camera. In this case, I'm gonna use a Nikon 5500 model. Today you will see that all what is right now on the web today, in June of 2020, that talks about that only Canon cameras are the one that can be used as a webcam with their own program, is a lie. Today you can use your Nikon camera with a simple program, and that it's totally free to use your Nikon DSLR camera as a webcam. So please come with me. Okay, well, the first thing you must do is go to digicamcontrol.com. Please, when you are in the homepage, don't push this button. This is not what you need. Wait a little, I will tell you how to do it and what it's the program that you really need. First of all, please come here to cameras. In cameras, you will see all the models that are supported by this program. You need to see the compatibility of live view mode. In this case, Nikon D3000 and Nikon D3100 are not compatible with this program. Okay, let's go back to the homepage. As I told you before, this is not what you need. Don't be hurry. You need to go to the download section. In the download section, you got these three options. The option that you need is this one in the center of the web page. Digicam Control Virtual Webcam. Here you can push the download button. Then you must wait 5 seconds. Okay, now that the window appears, you need to push save the file. Please save the file in whatever place you need to find it when you are going to install it. I'm really sorry if my English is not good enough, because it's not my native language, but I will do my best to show you how to do it. I will not save right now the file because I already got it, so I will show you how it works. Very well. When you install the file, you must go to the program. I got the program here in the up right corner of my screen. Double click and then it appears. When you are already inside the program, the next thing you must do is to push the Start Live View button. As you can see, here the program is detecting the camera model and the serial number, aperture, shutter speed, ISO, etc., even the battery. So let's start Live View. Now you got your camera as a webcam. Now you can see how does it works. So now the next thing to do is open Zoom. This is only an example, and then new meeting, and as you can see now your webcam it's working, or now your Nikon camera it's working like a webcam without any issue. How will you do it? Okay, let's go to video options, and the one you must choose is DCC virtual camera. This is the same option that you must select when you are using OBS, Facebook Live, Zoom, Skype, or any other program that you need to project your image through your DSLR camera Nikon to your PC and use it as a webcam. Okay, it's done. So simple, so fast. And now you got your Nikon DSLR camera using as a webcam to connect to Skype, OBS, Facebook Live, Zoom meetings, and any program you need to transmit your image through your DSLR camera to the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please put the like button or push the like button and subscribe. Till the next episode of No Soy un Experto. See you later.